In today's video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall Riot Vanguard and then install it again. Riot Vanguard is used as the anti-cheat system for games like Valorant and other Riot games. But if you're having issues in Valorant or other Riot games, perhaps it's saying that Vanguard isn't running correctly or you're being booted out of game, then by uninstalling the Vanguard and then installing it again will hopefully resolve those issues. So the first thing you need to do is right click on the start menu icon. You then need to click on apps and features. You now need to type in Vanguard in search this list. You then need to go ahead and click on Riot Vanguard, and you now need to click on uninstall. You now need to press uninstall. You now need to go ahead and press yes, and it will now remove Riot Vanguard. As you can see, Riot Vanguard has now been uninstalled and it's also been removed from my system tray. So the next thing you now need to do is open up the Riot game that you want to play. So I'm going to go ahead and launch Valorant, and it will now open up the Riot client. And straight away you can see there it's now installing the Riot Vanguard. Once it has finished installing this, you will need to restart your computer. So as you can see, I now need to restart my system. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And once you have restarted your computer, you will now notice in your system tray that you have the Riot Vanguard icon. And there you go. That is how you uninstall and then install the Riot Vanguard for Riot games. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.